Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today we're going to look at a blender that stands out not just for its functionality, but also for its stylish retro design. The SMEG BLF03 Retro Style Blender. If you're someone who's into both performance and aesthetics in your kitchen appliances, this blender might just catch your eye. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or crushing ice for your favorite drinks, the SMEG BLF03 promises to deliver. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The SMEG BLF03 is part of SMEG's 50s Retro Style collection, designed to bring a nostalgic yet sophisticated touch to your kitchen. But this blender is not just about looks. It's built with functionality in mind. It features a 600-watt motor, which is more than capable of handling most blending tasks, from smoothies to pureeing soups. The motor comes equipped with a smooth start function, which ensures a smooth blending experience without sudden jerks, making it a user-friendly option for anyone in the kitchen. One of the key features of this blender is its 48-ounce Tritan Renew BPA-Free jug. This lightweight, shatter-resistant jug is built to withstand daily use, and because it's dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. The jug is designed to preserve the freshness and flavor of your ingredients, making sure your smoothies and other blended creations taste exactly how you want them to. When it comes to customizing your blending, the SMEG BLF03 offers 3 speed settings and a pulse function, allowing you to control the texture of your blend. For added convenience, it also comes with 4 preset functions: Ice Crush, Smoothie, and Self-Cleaning modes. These presets take the guesswork out of blending, letting you push a button and trust that it's going to deliver the right results, whether you're making a quick smoothie or breaking down ice for a cocktail. In terms of size, the SMEG BLF03 has a compact footprint. At 7 inches wide, 16 inches high, and 8 inches deep, it will fit easily on most kitchen countertops, even under cabinets. Despite its relatively small size, it doesn't sacrifice performance or style. The die-cast aluminum base gives it a premium, sturdy feel, and the sleek metallic finish adds a touch of sophistication that can complement both retro and modern kitchens. It's definitely an eye-catching appliance, but it's not just about looks. The base is built to last. Now, let's talk about using this blender. I've put it to the test for a variety of tasks, including making smoothies, crushing ice for cocktails, and preparing soups. The 600-watt motor performed well across the board. When I used the Ice Crush function, the blender handled ice with ease, producing a smooth, uniform consistency in just a few seconds. For smoothies, the consistency was excellent, even when using frozen fruit. The smoothie function ensured everything was blended to perfection without any chunks left behind. The one thing I did notice, however, is that while the blender does a great job with most tasks, its motor isn't quite as powerful as some higher-end models, which may be a concern if you're looking to blend tougher ingredients like nuts or fibrous vegetables regularly. But for everyday use, making smoothies, soups, or crushing ice, it performs admirably. The pulse function also allows for extra control when you need it, but it could be a bit more responsive in terms of power if you're blending thicker ingredients. Speaking of the design, the SMEG BLF03 really shines. It's not just about performance. This blender adds personality to your kitchen. The pastel blue color, combined with its retro 50s-inspired look, gives it a vintage charm that stands out in any setting. But it's not just good to look at. The die-cast aluminum base adds durability, and the non-slip feet ensure stability during use. Additionally, the built-in cord wrap is a neat little touch that helps with storage, keeping your kitchen looking tidy. When it comes to cleaning, the SMEG BLF03 is a winner. The jug is dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel blades are detachable, making it easy to clean every part of the blender. If you're someone who hates spending too much time cleaning after cooking, this design will certainly be a relief. The self-cleaning function, accessed via the preset modes, makes maintenance even simpler. On the downside, the 600 watts motor, while efficient, could be a limitation for those who need something more powerful for larger, tougher tasks. If you're regularly blending ingredients like nuts or seeds, this blender might not be the best fit, as the motor might struggle to achieve the same consistency as more powerful alternatives. Additionally, The blender doesn't come with any additional accessories, such as a personal blending cup, which might be a drawback for some users who prefer portability. Now, let's talk about value for money. The SMEG BLF03 falls into the mid-range price category for blenders, and considering its solid performance and premium design, it offers good value for the price. The 600-watt motor is strong enough for most tasks, and the high-quality construction ensures that this blender should last for years, making it a worthwhile investment. But if you're looking for a blender that can tackle more complex tasks regularly, such as nut butters or grinding grains, you may want to consider options with more power. There are alternatives in the same price range, like Vitamix or Blendtec models, that offer more versatility, though they may lack the distinctive design of the SMEG. In terms of build quality, the SMEG BLF03 is impressively solid. The die-cast aluminum base feels robust and durable, and the Triton Renew jug is built to last without compromising on weight. The blender feels premium, and with its sturdy construction, it's clear that SMEG has put a lot of thought into the longevity of this product. While it might not have long-term reliability reports available yet, given the brand's reputation for quality and craftsmanship, I'd expect it to hold up well with proper care. If you do need customer support, SMEG has a solid reputation in the industry, and any issues with the product should be addressed fairly quickly. I didn't personally need to reach out to customer service for this blender, but if you do encounter any issues, it's reassuring to know that SMEG is known for good customer support. Overall, the SMEG BLF03 retro-style blender is a stylish and functional appliance that brings both aesthetics and performance into your kitchen. The 600-watt motor is capable, and the presets make blending effortless. Its standout feature is its design. The 50s-inspired pastel blue color makes it a statement piece on any countertop. While its motor might not be as powerful as some competitors, it performs excellently for most household blending tasks, such as smoothies, soups, and ice crushing. The cleaning process is also incredibly easy, and the blender is built to last. If you're someone who values design and quality, this is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts, questions, or if you already own the SMEG BLF03, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, goodbye from Reviewsinside TV, where style and performance blend perfectly.